Okay. Okay folks, welcome back to another bearings and scale question. Now in this particular question we have to work out the bearing of C, which is over here, from A, which is over here. Now same start of the question. If you want to know where do we start the question from, the from indicates the starting point. So it's from A, so this is where we start the question, and we've got to go towards C. So what we need to do now, we need to get our ruler and draw our north line at A, because that's our starting point. We've got some north lines drawn behind on the side. And we need to join the two letters up. So we have to measure the angle that we need to turn from A to be facing C. So bearing is a measure of the angle that we need to turn from north. So the angle that we're interested in here is actually this angle here. So we've got to face north and then turn clockwise. This is the clockwise direction until we reach the direction of C, which is that way. Okay, now when we look at this question, we got an angle which is more than 180. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to bring this line straight back as a dotted line. So we know that the first part of this question, this bit here, is definitely 180, because that is from here to here is a straight line. So what we need to measure is this extra part over here and add it onto the 180 to give us the proper angle that we require. So what we're going to do, we're going to measure this angle here. So I'm going to put my 0 on the bottom, put the T in the corner there, move it along nice and slowly. Okay, so we're measuring this angle here. So 0 towards 60, I've got approximately 62. So if we start here, we do half a turn, that's 180, and then we do another 62 degrees. So we need to add them up. 180 plus the 62, so that'll give you 2, 14. So we have an angle, a bearing of, so the bearing is 242 degrees. Okay, lovely. Now what we need to do, we need to measure the distance between A and C to work out the distance in real life. The scale, as given earlier, is 1 centimeter is equal to 5 kilometers. So the second part of the question is, what is the distance in real life between these two stations, A and C? So let's measure it first of all in centimeters. So I'm getting an answer which is 8.1. So we have 8.1 centimeters, and we have to multiply it by 5, the scale factor. Okay, so that'll give you 40 point. So we have a bearing of 240 degrees and a distance apart of 40.5 kilometers. Okay, thank you very much for joining us on the second bearing question. In the following bearing question, please come and join us. We'll be looking at using the different language. This is the language of 2. So for example, we'll be looking at what is the bearing of D to L and what is the bearing from A to H. So using the 2 language. Thank you very much for that, and see you in the next video.